everyone! It's Green's birthday and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in! Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, mechanicals! Nice work, mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hello, everyone. Oh, there's a lot of vehicles waiting to use the car wash today. Oh, thanks, Bobby.
Gecko has more customers than me. But if I break his car wash, everyone will have to use mine.
Oh, baby truck, what can we get you today? Spinning screwdrivers! What's happening to the car wash? We need to switch it off. Oh no! We've got a runaway car wash.
Oh, this is just too funny.
Good golly, good gosh! Follow that car wash!
Oh, get away from me! I took a shower last week, thank you! No! No! Ah!
We have to get in front of it! Mechanicals, we're going in! Mechanicals, climb up and unscrew that control panel! Now cut the red wire! Not the yellow wire! The red wire! Not green, red! Phew. Bish bash bosh. We stopped the runaway car wash. But, how are we going to get this back to the garage? Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Grandma is showing us some old photos from her stunt biker days.
Oh, Miles, didn't we look so flashy?
Look, Grandma. The Mets have prepared their own little stunt jump so they can be just like their hero. That's you.
Well, if you want to be like me, put your helmets on, kids. Oh! It's okay, Blue. Even the best stunt bikers fall down once in a while.
This sidecar made one side tip over in the air.
Oh, never mind, my darlings. It'll be all right. If only you could try again. Wait, maybe you can. How would you like to do a jump with me, my mini metal ones? It'll be just like the old days, eh, Miles?
It's a great idea. But for all the Mechs to ride, we'll need to get the balance just right. But how? Aha!
Don't worry, he'll be back.
Ta-da! With Miles's spare sidecar attached, you'll be perfectly balanced.
And everyone can ride. Woohoo!
What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this! We'll attach the sidecar by securing it with these bolts.
But there's still something missing. Follow me, little ones. Ready, kids? It's jumping time!
Are you sure you can jump that far?
Of course! I jumped over 5 jumbo jets once. Or was it 2? Never mind. Helmets on, team.
Ready? Go, Grandma on the mix! What a jump, Grandma!
We did it together, right, little ones? But remember, darlings, a stunt rider is nothing without a mechanic.
You can be like your heroes if you try, and even fly across the sky! Goodbye, everyone! Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading Eric's arm so he can dig holes even faster.
Ha! Call that an excavator? What rubbish! Behold, Sly's new mega drill! You don't stand a chance, Frog. I'm the finest mechanic in history. Watch. Help! I can't! Stop!
Oh, no! Mr. Weasel's drill is out of control. Go, Mechanicals! Red, are you okay? Aha! Mr. Weasel's magnet. Of course. Eric, I have an idea. Your arm is strong, so it's okay. Let's use this magnet to save the day. No, Eric!
I hate that!
You're safe now, Mr. Weasel. But, oh dear, there's a lot of mess to clean up.
I don't see why I should have to clean it up. This isn't my fault. I'm okay.
We'd better get a rope green. See you next time, everyone. Bye. Hello everyone, Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No! Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for our Christmas party. You made an invitation for Mr. Weasel and Sly to our party? What a wonderful idea, Blue.
Oh, an invitation to a Christmas party at Gecko's Garage. For us, Sly. No, thank you. We'll have a much better party here. I didn't know it was Christmas.
Never mind, Mex. Christmas isn't about who has the best party. It's about being together. Let's get those brilliant decorations up, eh?
Work faster! We must have a bigger, better Christmas party than Gecko! Sly! I need your battery to power this snow machine! Hurry! More snow! No! My party is ruined! Sly, are you okay?
Sparky screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel might need some help. Are you both okay?
Something's wrong with Sly! He's lost all his power!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll find out what's wrong. Aha! I see the problem. Sly's alternator needs replacing.
His alternator?
The alternator helps to charge Sly's battery, which gives him electric power. What tool do we need? Wrench. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. Bolt the alternator to the engine Then connect this wire. All done.
My Sly! Thank you, Gecko.
Anytime, friends. Oh, wow! Your party decorations look great!
Really? You're welcome to stay if you like. We'd really like that, wouldn't we, Sly?
We'd love to. And I have an idea.
Our party! It's a Christmas miracle!
Christmas is a time to share and to show each other that you care. Wow, look at that! Oh, thank you! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Oh, there go the sprouts all over the floor. Sly.
Hello, everyone. We've just fitted a brand new brush to the car wash. Let's see how well it works. Hooray! It's working brilliantly. Well done, Mechanicals.
With this new engine, I'm the fastest Weasel in town!
Oh, dear. I don't like the look of this, Mechanicals. Yikes! Look out, Mechanicals! Oh, yuck! The oil has spilled everywhere.
Make it stop!
Spinning screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's out of control!
Oh! Duh! Oh!
What a huge and nasty oil slick! Let's clean it up nice and quick. But this oil is very sticky. Oh, we're gonna need a bigger brush. Of course! We can use the old car wash brush. Please, can we attach it to your Mama Recycle? Grab some tools, it's fixing time. While we fix, we sing this rhyme. So we can clean up in a rush. Let's attach this car wash brush. Then you can spin it round and round and get that oil off the ground. Spin that brush nice and quick and let's remove this oil slick. Ready, everyone? Go, go, go! Great stuff, Mama Recycle. It's working. Great work, everyone. Now this scene is nice and clean. Oh, unlike Mr. Weasel. Huh? I think we might have another customer, Mama Recycle. Bye, everyone. What's that yummy smell?
That's right! A free kebab for every customer! This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Oh! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck! There's a fire!
We're saved! Oh!
arms won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye. Hello, everyone. Max and Molly are having so much fun playing in muddy puddles. Oh, you. Thanks, Green. Oh, Max, you're covered in mud. It's bath time for you two. I guess they don't want a bath. Come on, monster trucks. Great idea, Blue. Molly loves rubber ducks. Oh, Molly, we have a surprise for you. Well, that did the trick. Come on, Max. Just wait here. It'll be your turn soon enough. In you go, Max. It's your turn. Oh no! The sunshine has dried the wet mud and left poor Max stuck! Just like a statue! Oh, don't worry, Molly. We'll tow Max through the car wash with Tilly's help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Maximum power for Muddy Max! There you go, Max. All clean. Something's wrong. Let's take a look. Oh no! Your engine is full of mud. Don't worry. We'll get rid of it and have you running smoothly again. What tools do I need? Screwdriver, sponge. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The engine air filter keeps the dirt out, but too much mud brings problems about. Open the filter case to see what's in sight. It's full of thick mud. My guessing was right. In goes the new filter, retighten the screw, and now Max's engine should run like new. There you go, Max. Now you're as clean on the inside as you are on the outside. Back in the car wash, please, Molly. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today, the mechanicals are in garage school, where they learn lessons in mechanics. Baby Truck's engine was making a clicking sound, and that meant her starter motor needed replacing. So what did we do, Mex? We disconnected the battery, unbolted the old starter motor, then bolted in the new one before reconnecting the battery. And now Baby Truck's engine is all fixed. Oh, it sounds like someone's here. Hello, Fiona. Hi, Dandy.
Oh, Gecko! Fiona's wipers aren't working, which means we can't see properly in the pouring rain.
Don't worry, Dandy. We'll fit Fiona with new wipers right away. Next garage school lesson, replacing windscreen wipers.
Can I join garage school too, please, Gecko? But I haven't done my homework.
It's okay, Dandy. We can all learn and work together. Now, first we unscrew the old wipers using a
screwdriver! Here you go, Gecko.
Thanks, pal. All fixed. Well done, everyone.
Oh, thanks, Gecko. I love garage school. That's the emergency alarm, which means someone needs our help. We have to go. Goodbye, friends. Oh no, Fiona's engine won't start. Oh, it's not working.
Mex, can you hear that clicking sound? Exactly, Mex. The sound means Fiona needs a new starter motor. But you know how to do this fix. Don't worry, Mex. I'll be right here if you need me. You can do it. What tools do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to disconnect the battery. Detach the cable carefully. Great job, Red. Now unbolt the old starter motor. That's it, Yellow. Now to bolt in the shiny new starter motor. Make sure it's nice and tight with the wrench, Yellow. Finally, reconnect the battery, Red. Now, Dandy, start the engine.
Okay, Gecko. Hooray! It worked! Thanks for saving the day, Mechanicals! You're our heroes!
You fixed Fiona at garage school and showed that learning is super cool. Goodbye, everyone. Good job, baby truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, baby truck.
You call that a driving test? Now this is a driving test, eh, Sly?
What exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you. This is too easy for me. Sly, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby truck, we have to rescue them. Take your time. You can do this. Great touching, baby truck. Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time. Just like you reversed in the test, baby truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound, Sly.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours. Hello, everyone. Today is Hero Day. Blue's hero is Captain Spanner.
Oh, even heroes need help sometimes. Oh.
We've been dressing Vicky as her hero, Fiona Firetruck.
Why wait, Trevor? Faster is better. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. Who's your hero? I suppose it's me. Turbo Tractor? I mean, oh, yes, Turbo Tractor. I can make that happen. Easy.
Awesome work, team. Fiona looks just like her hero, Vicky the ice cream truck.
Only Trevor left to go, Gecky. Then it's time for the Hero Day party.
drivers! Someone's tried to turbocharge Trevor!
Turbo bodge, more like.
I can't work with that rust bucket. If you break, don't come back to me. Ah! Ah!
Well, I never, Trevor. Don't worry, dear. We'll undo that weasel's worthless work.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Let's replace this turbocharger with something new and even larger. Weasel's work was incomplete. An intercooler will cool the heat.
A chrome exhaust for the X Factor makes Trevor look like Turbo Tractor.
The party's about to start. And I know who my hero is. You're the best mechanic ever, Grandma. And the best Grandma. You're my hero.
Thank you, Gecky. And you're mine. Because you make everyone feel like a hero.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today, the mechs are going for a flight in their flying machine.
Wow, it's even more estupendo than I remember.
Don't forget, Mechanicals. Flying is fun, but everybody has an important job to do in order to stay safe. I would come with you, Blue, but I have to change Tilly's battery today. You'll have lots of fun with Cat.
Helena and I will be right beside you the whole time.
Ready to fly? 3, 2, 1, go, go, Mechanicals! Now, let's get this battery changed. Hey, Tilly?
You're doing great, Mechanicals. Ay, Mia! The Mechanicals have broken their controls. Hola, Mechanicals. Stay calm and follow my instructions. If the joystick and cables are broken, you need to grab hold of the loose cables to steer. When you pull down on the left side, the machine will steer left. And same with the right. Now hold on tight. It will take a little longer to get home than planned.
There you are, Tilly. A brand new battery. But the mechs and Cat still aren't back. How's it going up there, Cat? Over?
We're almost home, Gecko, but the Mechanicals broke their controls.
Spinning screwdrivers! How will they land safely?
I can help them, but it's getting dark, and we can't see where to land.
Head for the garage, and I will find a way to help you get back on the ground, over and out. How can we help the mechs find us in the dark? I've got it! We can power those lights with Tilly's battery to make a runway. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Now, if I wire these lights into Tilly's battery with my screwdriver and then turn on her engine, we have a runway to guide the mechs home.
Magnifica! Now, Mex, gently decrease your height and steer towards the runway. That's it. Nearly there.
Well done, Mechanicals! What a landing! And thank you, Cat.
No problema, cuties. Great runway, Gecko and Tilly.
By working together and staying calm, we help the mechs land without any harm. Now, I better fix that joystick right away. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, you're nice and early, Eric. Oh. Mechanicals. Eric's eager to get his repair done. Come on, sleepyheads. You should be full of energy after charging up all night. Let's get Eric's repairs done so he can get going. I don't know what's wrong with them today. Huh? Whoa, you're right, Eric. Their charging bay was unplugged overnight. No wonder they're so run down. Come on, sleepy mechanicals. Time for a charge up. Oh, checkmate. Yay! Okay, mechanicals, you're all fully powered. So, let's get the job done. Finished, Eric. We'll see you soon back here at Gecko's garage. All done, mechanicals. It's Christmas Eve and the garage looks perfect. Do you all know what you want from Santa? Oh, you don't know, Blue? Well, you'd better decide. Santa will be here soon. Whoa! I didn't think he'd be here that soon. Hello, Santa.
Gecko, I need your help. My reindeers are ill, so my sleigh won't fly, and I need to ride it through the sky. If I don't deliver all these toys, there'll be no Christmas for the girls and boys.
Don't worry, Santa. We'll get it flying. That's it.
Christmas is saved by Gecko's crew, so here's a gift for each of you.
Just what I need. Thank you, Santa. Have you decided what you want, Blue?
Oh, you want to ride upon my sleigh? Then hop on board. Let's fly away. Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Merry Christmas from all of us here at Gecko's garage.
Merry Christmas.
I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's carried the busiest service today. Can you handle that, mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. It's been a long day. Excuse me.
Now, what's next, mechanicals? Whoa! I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly.
Hello, everyone. We're off to visit Kat. She asked me to bring some special things belonging to my grandpa. And here we are. Wow-wee! Oh, Kat. Are you here? We saw your lovely display and... Huh?
Cálmate, Gecko. Huh? It's just face paint for Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos? What's that?
It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones who have passed on. Mi ama, my mother, was an ace pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything for me, Grandpa?
My grandpa was an inventor. Before he died, he made the famous Gecko Specs, a nifty gadget to help you see better in all kinds of situations.
I know that horn. That's Bobby the Bus. Sounds like he's in trouble. Oh, it's no good. It's too dark to see.
Gecko, ven acá. Helena's spotlight can find Bobby in the dark.
Good idea, Cat.
dark. I can't see Bobby.
What would Grandpa do? Huh? We don't need extra light. These Gecko specs work best at night. There! I see Bobby. Let's go in for a landing. I'll radio Tilly. Glad we heard you, Bobby. Looks like your battery's gone flat.
We can charge him at my base.
Perfect, Cat. And with a little towing, we can get Bobby going. A flat battery isn't much trouble, but needs recharging on the double. There you go. Your battery will be full by morning.
You did a fantastic job finding Bobby in the dark, Gecko.
It's thanks to you, Grandpa. Your Gecko specs saved the day.
Even if you can't see him, your grandpa is still with you, Gecko.
Yes, I'm glad he is. Hello, everyone. We're busy today. It's really important we keep Dylan's water levels topped up to keep his engine cool. Ready, mechanicals? Go, go, H2O! That's not good, mechanicals. There's no water coming from the pipes.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Soggy screwdrivers. Mr. Weasel's fountain is using all the water.
I thought frogs liked water.
We still need some clean water for Dylan's engine, or he'll overheat.
Not so fast, trash can. This is my water from my tap.
I know, Green. Water's for sharing, not wasting.
Oh, it's raining. My lovely hair might get wet. Oh.
Thanks, Blue. But we need to collect the precious rainwater. Quick, mechanicals! Use whatever you can! Great job, everyone! We've got the rain to thank for filling Dylan's tank.
Yeah.
Wow! What a lot of water Dylan's collected! We won't waste a drop of it. All jobs done. Before we use water, it's important to think how we use it wisely to wash, fill and drink.
My precious fountain.
Oh, Mr. Weasel, you'd best get a mop. And remember next time not to waste a drop. There you go, Eric. Your arm should be as good as new. Mechanicals, what are you doing? Oh, I see. You're looking for pirate treasure. Yaha, me hearty! What was that noise? Eric's found something. Maybe it's buried treasure. Wonder what these are. Oh, yellow. It might not be gold, but that doesn't mean it isn't treasure. Oh! Ta-da! It's an old railway handcar. But, something is missing. Ah! Wow! Eric's found the old railway. Try it now, Mechanicals! See? Just because something isn't silver and gold doesn't mean it's not treasure. Go, Mechanicals! Ho, ho, ho! Hello, everyone. Santa Gecko here with my elves. It's Christmas time! And Gecko's garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto! We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry Mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer! They're here! Get ready, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Aha! Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, no, no, no! Something's not right! A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky. Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up! There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again and match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona Fire Truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals! You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas! When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Until next time, everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Hello, everyone. It's Christmas! And we're at Kat's base to help decorate her tree.
I think it looks better on the tree.
Have patience, Yellow. We'll need a ladder to help us put the star on top of the tree.
I have a ladder inside, Gecko. Can you help me carry it, porfa?
Nuts and bolts! Yellow's a shooting star! Cat, we have to catch her!
Vamos, Gecko. We'll take Helena.
Ho, ho, ho! Hello, Yellow! Oh, no, hang on!
Flying fog lamps! It's Santa! Yellow, you're safe! Thank you, Santa. We're very glad you're here. Over.
And I'm very glad to see you too, Gecko. My sleigh won't fly straight. Can you help fix it? Over.
Of course, Santa. Cat, I need a closer look. Can we hover above the sleigh? I'll use Helena's winch to lower myself down. gosh, it's windy up here! I see the problem, Santa. The left booster is holding on by one bolt. I'll need to reattach it.
Hello, Gecko. It's usually me who's dropping in on others. Ho, ho, whoa!
I need to fix that rocket booster fast. What tools do I need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! I'll reattach the loose rocket booster with these bolts and tighten them with my wrench. Righty, tighty. Oh, yes!
Hurrah, Gecko! What a team! Thank you for saving Christmas.
Thank you for saving Yellow.
Oh, jingle bells, is that the time? Must fly. I need to deliver presents to all the children. I almost forgot your presents.
Feliz Navidad!
A Christmas miracle happened tonight, and we fixed Santa's sleigh in mid-flight. Goodbye, everyone, and Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hello, everyone. It's a hot, sunny day, and we're off to the beach. Soggy screwdrivers. The bridge is shut, and Vicky can't deliver her ice cream.
I must have ice cream!
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help Vicky get to the beach. Come with us. There. Ah. I've made a couple of special tweaks to help Vicky get to the beach. But we may still need your rocket blue. Blue? Blue! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help everyone in need of ice cream. Oh, we need some more speed. Now, Blue. That'll do, Blue. We don't want to overshoot the landing. Not some bolts. We did overshoot the landing. Don't worry, Vicky. A gecko always has a plan B. What a journey. Now, who wants an ice cream?
Out of the way, trash can! That's my ice cream! My ice cream!
See you next time, everyone.